Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on this very simple kind of everyday look with a pretty bold statement lip, and we're testing out and trying out new LaColors products that I found. So as always, we're going to start off by priming our lids. I'm using the LaColors eyeshadow primer today, and we're going to be picking up LaColors 24 eyeshadow 10 in bold eyes. I found these around Christmas time, so I'm unsure if they're available now. We're just going to be taking that kind of peachy brown shade, and it's just similar, close to your skin tone, whatever's closest to your skin tone, and apply that as a transition crease color. Windshield wiper that into your crease area. Just slowly build that shade up. Apply it messily because you can always fix it later. It's so close to your skin tone, it doesn't even matter. Just buff it in there. Okay, next up we're going to be taking one of the lightest shades in the palette. It's kind of a creamy, shimmery shade, vanilla shimmery shade. So whatever you have, apply it on your lid. And I think these the eye toppers from like Milnai would look very nice with this look too, but I wanted to keep it very simple. So we're just going to pat that on our lid and put it slightly in our inner corner. We're going to blend down with that crease brush I used earlier. Now we're going to pick up this slightly darker brown, and we're going to buff that in our outer corner just to darken that up and give it some depth and dimension. And I also want to note that this part of the eyes literally took 3 minutes and 28 seconds to complete. I did a non-stop film for you guys right here, and I wanted you to see it in real time. So this little edited piece here is like 3 minutes, so it's just slightly sped up. But it took me 3 minutes and 28 seconds to do the entire eye look. Very simple, very easy to complete. And it's just kind of messily done, so, you know, it's just messy put together, but it looks put together. Does that make sense? Now we're taking the light, kind of the other light shade in the palette, lightest shade. It's shimmery as well, and I would have preferred matte, to be honest, but it is what it is. I applied that on the brow bone, and we're going to blend all of that together. And the eyes are done. We're going to wipe away our fallout, and yes, done and done. How simple, you guys. I thought you would love how easy this tutorial is. So we're going to tightline our upper waterline, and for the lower waterline we are going to be using this LaColors White Auto Eyeliner. And yeah, I needed to clean out my waterline area, and so the white wouldn't be tainted. And this is not a super opaque white, but it comes off and it comes more out nude, and it's not so stark. I don't know, it's very nice though, very easy to use. Now this, we're testing out the LaColors brow tint, and I had to take this in dark. I probably needed it in a medium, but this is the only one they had in the store, and I just really wanted to try it. So it is a little bit dark, I'm aware of that, but I still wanted to try it. So I'm trying to make this work in the brows, and I do think this is a good product. I was a little bit like kind of blow back when I first started using it, because I was like, oh my goodness, like it kind of applied a little bit different in both eyebrows, and I was just like, I don't know if you can tell, but I keep looking at the camera like, oh my god, my brows. Because I prefer to use pencils and powder, so yeah, see my face. So I'm trying to clean up as I go so it doesn't dry or anything, and just kind of trying to disperse the product a little bit better. I don't know, maybe I should have wiped the brush off. I mean, I think the left eyebrow came out pretty decent, but it's the more fuller brow anyways. And then the right eyebrow, I feel like kind of looked a little wonky, but this is a good product, you guys. And I do think that if you were in a hurry and needed to go out the door and you had your right shade, it would work perfect. I mean, I'm still going to use this product, but I hope to find it in a medium. Now, moving on to the LaColors EyeTensity Mascara. This is supposed to really amplify and volumize your lashes. I do think it has a plastic bristle brush. I do think it's doing a good job at separating the lashes, giving them length and a bit of volume. I'm most impressed with the length it gives because my eyelashes on the right eye are pretty short and stubby in comparison to the left eye. Once again, I don't know, but it's just how it is. Beautiful imperfections, you guys. We're just applying it on the left eye, and yes, I think this mascara did a good job. What do you guys think? I think it was $3 at Family Dollar. Totally worth a try. I really do like how it made my lashes look, so I was super impressed with that. The eyeshadows were good as well, and for the lips, I used the LaColors Lusty and Scrumptous Pout Lip Gloss Matte. And we're also going to use the LaColors setting spray. And that's the tutorial. I do this lip a lot as well. I love this combination. You've seen it in a few videos, and I hope you guys are enjoying it too. You can wear whatever lip shade you want to with this though. Anything goes. There'll be a product list in the description box as well as additional makeup links. And stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to comment, like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys always for watching.